niloloko siya. Masulag na siya.
So guys, you start eating chili and then you become handsome and pretty.
Are you
See?
sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm not sure. Nakakagigil naman mga to. You move this.
Okay. And this one this one bell pepper make you sexy.
Sige na natapos na.
Ayan naman. Yes, 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 yes. What are you doing, Dai? For what?
Golden brown.
She's making golden brown. This is milk. And this powder she put for make you
This is
cinnamon. This is a name for good taste. If you want to order, just message us. Sorry guys, just we are happy cooking here, so that's why we are laughing here. Okay? So don't mind if we are laughing because we are happy here in the kitchen. Ala, nasunog na tayo.
Kaya pala para yung action niya, storyline. Asan si Victoria?
Andun na gapos.
You need to mix it because it become burn.
It will become burn or it will become the road. You always stirring it.
I'm happy to stirring here and talking to my viewers.
Viewers.
I have one. See, 1 million. I have 1 million viewers in the house. Shout out. From where are you? Chat. This one, coriander.
May paalis na sila dyan.
Coriander or
Ba't naiwan yung isa?
Hindi nila madala eh.
cilantro.
Cilantro ba?
Oh. I-search ko nga yan kasi nga doon sa may video cilantro. Ano ba yung cilantro na yan? Kaya pala coriander din. Ano ata yan, Espanyol? Yung cilantro. Guys, 1 million viewers. Why so silent there? Why? What happened? You are done? Reggie?
Wait lang.
Bakit mo naman pinatay?
Si Gian.
Kasi nag-ano siya. Sticky.
Hindi yung adobo ko pinatay.
Ilang oras na kaya ako? Isang oras na ba? Hindi kasi nakita gawa ng nag-ano dito eh. Nag-reconnecting. Pero naka 30 minutes na dito. Ibig sabihin. Ayaw nila eh. Ayaw nila nag-disrupt ako. Na busy sa ano eh. Di bahala sila. Basta tinanong na namin.